Now let's come back with the muscular system. Okay. Place your left hand on your right upper arm. Bend and straighten your right arm. Can you feel something move? Okay. Place your left hand on your right upper arm. This is your thing. This is your left hand and right hand. Okay. Place your, they're saying that place your left hand on your right upper arm. If you're going to take this hand and place it on your right upper arm, a arm mein upre rakho. Okay, this is your arms. This portion is your arms. So you're going to keep this hand on this arm. Some of them are attached to your bones. You can feel that this is attached with the bones. Then they pull your bones to make them move. So what are you doing? So I told you here that these joints are here, which will help you in moving your hand. You can lift it up, you can put it here, you can do anything with your hand. You need strong muscles to lift heavy things or to run fast. The muscles of your body form the muscular system. We need strong muscles because we are doing a lot of hard works throughout the day. When we need our muscles work. The bone only gives shape to the body, but the muscles help you for the movement of the body. Did you understand? The movement of your body is done with your muscles. It helps you in moving the body, and the bone gives shape to the body. Did you understand? This is what they want to say here. Now here you can see this is the muscles, this is your head, this is your hand, and this is your foot. Now we come back to the digestive system. The digestive system, what happens to the food you eat? The food has to be broken down into very small pieces, simple pieces. This is called digestion of food. What is digestion of food? Digestion of food is when you are eating, think one apple. You have eaten one apple and you have to cut this apple into very small pieces like this. Did you understand? It has to be very small so that it can become a juice. So what you happens? Who helps you to cut this down? Your first thing, you put it in your mouth. You put a piece of apple. Okay, a piece of apple into your mouth. Yes. Okay, you put a piece of apple into your mouth. This one into your mouth. Then who helps you? Your teeth. Your teeth will chew this. Okay? And then it is mixed with, for chewing, for making, when you grind some masala, what happens, जब तुम मसाला पीसते हो तो पानी डाल डाल के पीसते हो ताकि वो एकदम नरम गल जाए, जल्दी पिसा যায়। ওকে, যখন তুমি মশলাটা বাটছো তখন একটু জল ফেলে ফেলে তোমরা মশলাটা বাটো, ওটা একটা সরল হয়ে যায় বাটার জন্যে। কেন? It will become soft and it will grind fast. So who is doing this water work here? The saliva is doing the water work here. Saliva যে এইটু তোমার মুখে আসে ওটা জলের কাজ করছে, এটা গ্রাইন্ডিং করার জন্য। যত পারে দাঁতটা করে নেয়। ओके, जितना हो सकता है दांत अपना काम करता है। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद then it goes down into the stomach. Did you understand? And before that you have one more pipe. See, this is your windpipe. This is your windpipe where here it is attached to your lungs. Did you understand? It is attached to your lungs. And this is your food pipe which is attached to your stomach. Did you understand? So when you eat this apple, it becomes pieces in your mouth, but it is not that small pieces that it can uh, be digested. So for another digestion और डाइजेशन के लिए ये खाना, ये जो एप्पल का पीस है तुम्हारा नीचे उतरेगा, ठीक है. दिस इज़ द विंड पाइप. यहाँ से तो सांस लेते हैं, लेकिन इसके जरिए ये नीचे उतरेगा. दिस pushes down and brings it to the stomach. Did you understand? This is the stomach portion. This is the stomach portion, you think. Here you have the liver, and here we have the pancreas. Okay. So now what happens when it comes down? This liver and pancreas, they pour the bile juice and then it comes into the stomach. यहाँ पे फिर से churning होता है. Churning का मतलब जैसे दही को हम लोग मथते हैं, আমরা যেরকম দইটা ইয়ে করি একদম মাখন বের করার জন্য যখন আমরা চার্ন করি, ওই রকম এখানে খাবারটা ইয়ে হয়. Did you understand? And from here again what happens, it gets into the small intestine. ठीक है, it gets into the small intestine. Okay, see, it gets into the small intestine and then it goes into the large intestine. This is the large intestine. I'm not very good in drawing, so I'm just showing you, that's all. It gets into the large intestine. Did you understand? And then it comes out. Did you understand? So when the food is from here, it grinds. এখান থেকে ভালো করে পিষে যায়. মুখে যখন অ্যাপেলটা দো, ছোট ছোট টুকরো একদম ছোট ছোট হয়ে একটু এটুর সঙ্গে মিশিয়ে ও একটা চাটনি মতন হয়ে যায়. তারপরে এখানে নামে. And then it comes down to the stomach. And then the stomach does the churning again. আবার বাটা হয়. Then it is pushed down to the small intestine. Did you understand? Now let's come back to the lesson. The food has to be broken down into very small pieces. This is called digestion. So when the food comes here and it is ekdam, it becomes liquid like, okay, then it is called digestion. Who helps in the digestion? This pancreas and the liver, they help in digestion. Only then can it be absorbed by the body to give energy. যখন এই জলের মতন হয়ে যায় তখন when it goes to intestine, then it is soaked, the blood soaks and sends and supplies to the whole body. এই পুরো বডিকে ব্লাডটা সাপ্লাই করে. Did you understand? The blood will suck in the intestine. We'll learn it now. Now only then we can observe and get energy. তখনই আমাদের এনার্জি আসে কোনো কাজ করার জন্য. The food is digested by a group of organs that form your digestive system. একজনের কাজ না. Okay, this is not one person's work. It is digested by a number of persons. Who's the first person? Mouth. মাউথের মধ্যে টিথ আছে, that is not mentioned. Okay, then the saliva gland is also there, but it is also not mentioned, but it is also working because it is giving us, wetting the food. খাবারটা ভিজিয়ে দিচ্ছে saliva gland. Anyway, ওটা এটা saliva gland, but ওটা মেনশন নেই. তোমরা এইটাই মনে রাখো, মাউথ, and then food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine. This is the small intestine, and this is the large intestine, and then anus. Anus is from where the food comes out. Did you understand? The food digestive is a group of digestive system. These organs, এই যে আলাদা আলাদা stomach, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, এই সব হচ্ছে digestive system. The food is chewed well by your teeth. See, here it is the chewing done. I told you here what happens when you eat apple, and chewed well by the teeth and mouth. Digestion starts here. হিওর দ্য ডাইজেশন স্টার্টস। ঠিক है, মুখ থেকে তোমার ডাইজেশনটা এখান থেকে স্টার্ট হয় যখন তোমরা ওটা केटे केटे छोटे कर दो। ओके, जब हम लोग उसको कूच के मतलब दांत से पीस के हम लोग चू करके छोटा छोटा कर देते हैं, देन digestion starts here. The chewed food is swallowed. It travels to the food pipe to your stomach. It travels from the food pipe से stomach में आ जाता है, यहाँ पे आ जाता है. Okay, the stomach is a thick bag made up of muscles. What is the stomach? The stomach is made up of muscles. Muscles movement থাকে না, so this is made up of muscles. Okay, here the food is mixed well with some digestive juices made into liquid. I told you here the food is mixed well. Churning, दही जैसे ये करते हैं वैसा यहाँ पे churning होता है, मतलब पिसाई होता है। এখানে বাটা হয়, আবার মুখে বাটলো, আবার এখানে বেটে, আর এই যে প্যানক্রিয়াস আর লিভারটা জুস দেয়, জুস এখানে A2টা জুস দিচ্ছে। ওকে, এখানে জলের কাজ করছে তোমার A2 সালাইভা, যে মুখে আমাদের A2টা আসে ওটা হচ্ছে সালাইভা। এখানে গ্রাইন্ডিং হেল্প করে, ওয়েট করে মানে ভিজিয়ে দেয় সালাইভা, আর এখানে ভিজিয়ে দেয় দিস বাইল জুসেস। এই বাইল জুস এর মধ্যে দিয়ে ডাইজেশনটা হয়ে যায়, এটা डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस प्रोड्यूस करे, बाइल जूस ओके बोलो, बाइल जूस। ओके, उसको बाइल जूस बोलते हैं, जो यहाँ पे आके फिर पीसने का काम करता है। यहाँ पे हम लोगों का जो थूक है, मुंह में सलाइवा है, वो हेल्प करता है, यहाँ पे डाइजेस्टिव जूस यूज़ करता है। ठीक है, अ पार्ट ऑफ द डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस हियर। फिर यहाँ पे ये डाइजेशन यहाँ हुआ, एक डाइजेशन यहाँ हुआ। द स्मैश फूड इज़ देन सेंट टू द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। हियर इज़ further digestion is observed when it is sent to the small intestine. ये small intestine फिर से digestion होता है, फिर से churning होता है। The food that cannot be digested reaches the large intestine. যে খাবারটা আমাদের এখানে শক্তই থাকে, নরম একদম লিকুইড মতন হবে না, ওটা কি হয় এই লার্জ ইন্টেস্টাইনে পাঠিয়ে দেয়, এই লার্জ ইন্টেস্টাইনে চলে যায়। আর লিকুইড যেটা আছে, ওকে, water is absorbed and the waste is then thrown out of your body through the anus. তো যে জলে জলে মতন থাকে আর ওই খাবার মধ্যে যে জল আছে ওটা অবজার্ভ করে নেয় স্মল ইন্টেস্টাইন, আর খাবারটা যে পেস্ট হয়ে গেছে ওটা, আর শক্ত জিনিসটা লার্জ ইন্টেস্টাইনে ফেলে দেয়। ওকে, and then water is absorbed and the waste is thrown out of the body through anus. এই anus দিয়ে ওটা it comes out. Okay, the mouth, food pipe, stomach and small intestine and large intestine form your digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, they form a digestive system. ठीक है, ये organ, digestive organ कौन सा है, कौन टा है, then you have to answer that. Okay, I'll come back to the next one.